Good night, teacher and classmen. Head of agreements document for the commerciality multi standard. First point is parties Colombian Microphone USA. November 20, 1 years for duration. Nature of the license is the pure installation, implementation, and startup of the other module for process control of country selection. Work scale is Microsoft started to deliver to Colombia the software waiting 20 calendar days from the dates of order and all the things of this contract at the address of Colombia, in which this indicator in the corresponding order Microsoft recognizes that the transportation of the software will at its own rights and taking responsibility that tests are delivered in place and time agreed. 6 point is costs. Colombia intends to pay $60,000 to Microsoft for the future installation, implementation, and commission of the OPS module processor control of cancellation. The San Royales land is Colombia will pay Microsoft for the payments of the software. Total amounts is $66,000, including the corresponding valuable added tax and following. 100% will be made in foreign currency within 5 working days, counted for the days of which Microsoft submitted to Colombia daily complete the following documents: CFDI delivered electronic and patent representation stamped of receipt by the corresponding warehouse and 3 copies. Original parts and 3 copies the delivery of the documents described above shall be made from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. on Mondays and Fridays at the following address: hours from Mondays to Friday at Colombia domicile. The other point is 19 is Colombia Marathon software. Microsoft is present hidden defects or quality defects, loadings, and use. The latter being only accept such the return and recognize Colombia the value corresponding to software returned or delivered. The software type meets the quality and characteristics required by Colombia, making defect in addition the warranty established in the clause of the contract. And the other one is 20 for choice of lab. Both parties state the following interpretation, execute, and fulfillment of this contract, as well as to resolve everything that is not expressly stipulated in the each clause. They shall be subject to the provision established for this purpose by the Civil Code of Colombia. Microsoft shall be liable for the breach of the obligation arising from the contract as well for any. Okay, teacher, this is my work. Thanks.